Good Thursday morning, meteorologist Jordan Young here with a check of your weather forecast this morning before you head out to work and school. We're still expecting a big time winter storm. You're looking at the NAM computer model. This is midnight, and you can see a lot of moisture spreading north and east into the Carolinas. Let's zoom in here and let's show you exactly what happens. As we move into 3 a.m., you can see a lot of moisture surging up into the area and a lot of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Now, the NAM is a little warmer than the GFS and the European model, so I've actually blended in the European, the GFS, and the NAM into my revised snowfall totals. But you can see a lot of moisture surging in. This is 6 a.m. heavy snows across much of the I-40 and I-85 corridor. And for Charlotte and to Raleigh, we're expecting some sleet and freezing rain to be breaking out around this time. And as we move forward, you can still see just a lot of moisture surging in from this system as it sits back over Alabama and just pulls in a lot of moisture in. So just what are the models saying? Here is the GFS computer model, and it's showing a lot of heavy snowfall totals across the mountains and the foothills of North Carolina, and quickly dropping off as you head into the Piedmont. And in the Piedmont, the reason why it drops off is because they're expecting more sleet. The GFS is showing anywhere from an inch to 2 inches of sleet across the I-85 corridor. This would be very devastating for travel, especially as sleet can be very difficult to travel in. And then as we look at the freezing rain, it's also expecting a lot of freezing rain in this area too. Actually, it keeps the Charlotte area mainly sleet, which would be a good thing for this event, but up towards the Raleigh area, a lot of freezing rain, anywhere from a quarter to a half an inch, in some places up to 3/4 of an inch of freezing rain. So here's my revised total forecast map, and right now I'm looking at 12 to 20 inches of snow in the mountains. Some isolated areas could see up to 24 inches. I've expanded along the I-40 corridor to 6 to 12 inches of snow sleet mix. I'm not expecting hardly any freezing rain to mix in this area. I've extended it the 3 to 7 inch category down towards the Charlotte area now. So 3 to 7 inches of snow and sleet mix with up to a quarter to a half inch of freezing rain as well. 1 to 4 inches in southwest North Carolina and the upstate, and 1 to 3 inches for most of North Carolina, including Raleigh and the Fayetteville areas, with around a quarter to a half inch of freezing rain. Ice storm is still likely on the periphery of this storm system, with around a dusting possible in this area, but your main accumulations will come from ice. I'll continue to monitor the trends today, including watching how the storm unfolds, and I will post updates on WX Jordan on Facebook and www.wxjordan.com throughout the day. Thank you. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young.